Welcome to Galaxy Guru, where we're unraveling the universe's most mind-bending secrets, one star at a time. Thank you so much for joining us. You've stepped into a cosmic mystery that's as stunning as it is puzzling. Today, we're diving into a galaxy that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A glowing, hat-shaped wonder floating 28 million light-years away in the constellation Virgo. Meet the Sombrero Galaxy, a celestial marvel with a secret hiding in plain sight. A mysterious ring that's baffled astronomers for decades. In this 8-part series, we'll explore what makes this galaxy so special, uncover the secrets of its ring, and solve the cosmic puzzle it presents. But first, let's get to know the star of the show, the Sombrero Galaxy. Part 1. Meet the Sombrero, Galaxy of Mystery. Imagine a galaxy that looks like a glowing UFO wearing a sombrero. That's the Sombrero Galaxy, or M104 as astronomers call it. Located 28 million light-years away, it's one of the most striking galaxies in the night sky. And you don't even need a telescope to spot it. Just a good pair of binoculars and a clear dark night. But what makes it so unforgettable? Let's start with its shape. The Sombrero Galaxy gets its name from its uncanny resemblance to a wide-brimmed Mexican hat. Picture a bright, bulging core, like the crown of the hat, surrounded by a dark, dusty lane that slices through the middle, creating the brim. This dusty ring is what sets the sombrero apart from other galaxies, and it's the key to the mystery we're about to unravel. But before we dive into the ring, let's get a sense of what this galaxy is all about. What is the Sombrero Galaxy? The Sombrero Galaxy is a spiral galaxy, but it's not your typical spiral. Most spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, have arms that swirl out from the center. But the Sombrero's arms are hidden beneath that thick, dark dust lane. This gives it a unique, almost lenticular shape, like a flattened disc with a bulging center. It's as if the galaxy is wearing a cosmic belt, cinching its waist and creating that iconic hat-like profile. But don't let its looks fool you. The sombrero is massive. Spanning about 50,000 light-years across, it's smaller than the Milky Way, which stretches 100,000 light-years, but it's still home to hundreds of billions of stars. That's a lot of cosmic real estate. And here's a fun fact. The sombrero is so bright that it was first spotted by French astronomer Pierre Méchain way back in 1781. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we realized it was a galaxy all its own, not just a nebula within the Milky Way. Why is it so special? So what makes the Sombrero Galaxy stand out in a universe full of galaxies? For one, its appearance is jaw-dropping. When you look at it through a telescope, it's like staring at a glowing frisbee with a dark stripe across the middle. But it's not just a pretty face. The sombrero is a cosmic puzzle. And the key to that puzzle is its mysterious ring. This ring isn't just a thin band of dust. It's a massive 50,000 light-year wide loop packed with stars, gas, and dust. That's wider than the entire Sombrero Galaxy itself. And here's the kicker. While many galaxies have rings, the Sombrero's is unusually bright and prominent. It's like a neon sign in the night sky, begging astronomers to figure out what it's made of and how it got there. The ring, a cosmic enigma. So what is this ring? At first glance it looks like a simple dust lane, but it's far more complex. It's not just dust. It's a bustling highway of star formation with young, hot stars lighting up the gas clouds like fireworks. But why is it there? How did it form? And what does it tell us about the Sombrero's past? These are the questions that have puzzled astronomers for years. Is the ring a remnant of a cosmic collision, like a scar from a past merger with another galaxy? Or is it the result of gravitational ripples, like waves in a pond after a stone's thrown in? Maybe it's something else entirely, a tilted disk warped by the galaxy's own gravity. The truth is, we're still piecing it together, and that's what makes the Sombrero so fascinating. Why should we care? You might be wondering, why should I care about a galaxy 28 million light years away? Fair question. For one, the Sombrero is a window into the universe's past. Its light has traveled for 28 million years to reach us, meaning we're seeing it as it was when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. It's like looking at a cosmic time capsule. But more than that, and what makes it so special compared to rings in other galaxies? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we continue our journey through the stars. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero Galaxy has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Now we've only just met the Sombrero Galaxy, a glowing hat-shaped wonder with a mysterious ring that's baffled astronomers for decades. It's time now for us to be zooming in on that ring to uncover what it's made of, why it's so special, and what makes it a cosmic enigma. Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple truth. The Sombrero's ring isn't just a pretty accessory, it's a cosmic enigma. When you look at the galaxy, that dark, dusty lane slicing through its middle is impossible to miss. But it's not just a thin band of dust. It's a massive 50,000 light-year wide loop packed with stars, gas, and dust. To put that in perspective, the ring alone is wider than the entire Sombrero Galaxy itself. It's like a necklace of starlight draped around a cosmic waist, sparkling with the light of billions of stars. But what exactly is this ring made of? Let's break it down. What's inside the ring? At first glance, the ring looks like a simple dust lane, but it's far more complex. It's a bustling highway of cosmic activity, teeming with stars. The ring is packed with stars of all ages, some young and blazing hot, others ancient and glowing softly. These stars are the glittering jewels of the ring, lighting up the surrounding gas and dust. Gas clouds. Interstellar gas, mostly hydrogen, floats through the ring like a cosmic mist. This gas is the raw material for new stars, waiting to collapse under gravity and ignite. Dust. Tiny particles of carbon, silicon, and other elements scatter and absorb light, giving the ring its dark, shadowy appearance. But don't be fooled. This dust is also a key player in star formation, helping gas clouds cool and collapse. Together, these ingredients make the ring a dynamic, ever-changing part of the galaxy. It's not just a static feature. It's alive with the birth and death of stars. Why is this ring so special? Now, you might be thinking, lots of galaxies have rings, so what makes the Sombrero's ring stand out? Great question. While it's true that many spiral galaxies have rings, the Sombrero's is unusually bright and prominent. In most galaxies, rings are faint, subtle features. But in the Sombrero, the ring is like a neon sign in the night sky, demanding attention. Here's why it's special. Brightness. The ring is packed with young hot stars that light up the surrounding gas, making it glow like a cosmic lantern. This brightness suggests that the ring is a hotbed of star formation, with new stars being born at a furious pace. Size. At 50,000 light-years wide, the ring is enormous. For comparison, The Milky Way's entire disk is about 100,000 light years across. The Sombrero's ring is like a giant halo, encircling the galaxy's core in a way that few other galaxies can match. Contrast. The ring's dark dust lane stands out sharply against the galaxy's bright core, creating a striking visual contrast. It's like a black velvet ribbon wrapped around a glowing pearl. In short, while other galaxies whisper, the Sombrero's ring shouts. It's a cosmic showstopper, and it's begging us to figure out how it got there. The puzzle. How did it form? So, how did this ring come to be? That's the million-dollar question, and it's one that astronomers are still trying to answer. There are a few leading theories, each more intriguing than the last. Gravitational ripples. One idea is that the ring is the result of gravitational waves rippling through the galaxy, like waves in a pond after a stone's thrown in. These waves could compress gas and dust, triggering star formation in a ring-like pattern. Cosmic collision. Another theory suggests that the ring is a scar from a past collision with another galaxy. When two galaxies merge, their stars and gas can be flung into new orbits, creating rings and other strange structures. Warped disk. A third possibility is that the ring is a tilted disk of gas and dust, warped by the galaxy's own gravity. Over time, this disk could have settled into a ring-like shape, like a vinyl record left in the sun. Each of these theories has its merits, but none of them fully explain the ring's unique features. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. Some fit, but the full picture is still elusive. Why should we care? You might be wondering, why does this matter? It's just a ring in a galaxy far, far away. Fair point. But the Sombrero's ring isn't just a pretty feature. It's a clue to how galaxies evolve. By studying it, we can learn about the forces that shape galaxies across the universe, including our own Milky Way. For example, if the ring was formed by a collision, it could tell us about the Sombrero's history. Did it grow by merging with other galaxies, or has it always been a loner? If it's a warped disk, it could reveal how gravity sculpts galaxies over time. And if it's gravitational ripples, it could shed light on the delicate balance between star formation and stability. In short, the Sombrero's ring is a cosmic Rosetta Stone, and cracking its code could unlock secrets about the universe's grand design. What's next? Next up, we'll dive into the theories behind the ring's formation. Was it a cosmic accident? Or is there a hidden force at play? We'll explore the wild ideas astronomers have come up with and see if we can solve this cosmic puzzle. Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest secrets. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero's ring has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. My friends, we just dove into the Sombrero Galaxy's mysterious ring, a massive 50,000 light-year wide loop packed with stars, gas, and dust. Now we're tackling the big question: how did this ring form? Was it a cosmic accident, or is there a hidden force at play? We'll explore the wild theories astronomers have come up with and see if we can solve this puzzle. Let's dive in. Let's start with a quick recap. The Sombrero Galaxy, or M104, is a spiral galaxy with a twist. It sports a massive bright ring that's unlike anything we've seen in other galaxies. This ring isn't just a pretty feature, it's a cosmic enigma. And figuring out how it formed is like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. Astronomers have come up with a few leading theories, each more intriguing than the last. So, what are they? Let's break them down. Theory 1. Gravitational ripples. First up, the gravitational ripples theory. Imagine dropping a stone into a still pond. The stone creates ripples that spread out in concentric circles, right? Something similar could be happening in the Sombrero Galaxy. According to this theory, a disturbance, maybe a burst of star formation or a close pass by another galaxy, sent gravitational waves rippling through the Sombrero's disk. These waves compressed gas and dust, triggering star formation in a ring-like pattern. It's like a cosmic drumbeat, with each ripple creating a beat that echoes through the galaxy. The ring, in this case, is the visible echo of that gravitational rhythm. But is this theory solid? Well, it explains the ring's symmetry and its brightness, but it doesn't fully account for the ring's size or its sharp edges. It's a good start, but it's not the whole story. Theory 2. Cosmic collision. Next, let's talk about the cosmic collision theory. This one's a bit more dramatic. Picture two galaxies smashing into each other like cars in a head-on collision. When galaxies collide, their stars and gas can be flung into new orbits, creating strange structures like rings, tails, or even entirely new shapes. Could the Sombrero's ring be a scar from a past merger with another galaxy? This theory has some compelling evidence. For one, the Sombrero's core is unusually large and bright, which could be the result of a merger that funneled gas into the center, feeding the supermassive black hole and sparking a burst of star formation. It's like a cosmic fender bender that left a dent. But in this case, the dent is a glowing ring of stars. However, there's a catch. The ring is remarkably symmetrical, which is rare in collision scenarios. Usually, mergers create messier, more chaotic structures. So while this theory is exciting, it's not a perfect fit. Theory 3. Warped disk. Now, let's explore the warped disk theory. This one's a bit more subtle. Imagine a vinyl record left out in the sun. It warps and bends over time. Something similar could be happening in the Sombrero Galaxy. According to this theory, the ring is actually a tilted disk of gas and dust that's been warped by the galaxy's own gravity. Over millions of years, this disk could have settled into a ring-like shape, with stars and gas orbiting at an angle to the main galaxy. It's like a cosmic hula hoop spinning around the galaxy's waist. This theory explains the ring's symmetry and its sharp edges, but it doesn't fully account for the ring's brightness or its high rate of star formation. It's a solid contender, but it leaves some questions unanswered. Weighing the theories. Which one holds up? So, which theory is the frontrunner? The truth is, none of them fully explain the Sombrero's ring on their own. It's like trying to solve a mystery with clues that don't quite match. Some astronomers think the ring might be a combination of these ideas. A warped disk that was further shaped by gravitational ripples or a past collision. For example, maybe the Sombrero started with a tilted disk and then a close encounter with another galaxy sent ripples through it, triggering the star formation we see today. It's a bit like mixing two recipes to create a dish that's uniquely delicious. But even this hybrid theory has its flaws and the debate rages on. Why is this so hard to figure out? You might be wondering, why is this so tricky? Can't we just look at the galaxy and figure it out? Well, not quite. The Sombrero is 28 million light years away, and even with our best telescopes, we are seeing it as it was 28 million years ago. That's like trying to solve a crime scene from ancient history. Some evidence has faded, and we're left with fragments. Plus, galaxies are complex systems with gravity, gas dynamics, and dark matter all playing a role. It's like trying to untangle a knot made of 1,000 threads. Pull one, and the whole thing shifts. But that's what makes it so exciting. The Sombrero's ring is a cosmic puzzle, and each theory is a piece of the solution. What's next? Next order of business, we'll dive into the tools and techniques astronomers use to study the Sombrero's ring. How do they peer through the dust and gas to uncover its secrets? And what have they found so far? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest mysteries. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero's ring has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Okay, we explored the wild theories behind the Sombrero Galaxy's mysterious ring, from gravitational ripples to cosmic collisions. Next up, we're diving into the tools and techniques astronomers use to study this galactic enigma. How do they peer through the dust and gas to uncover its secrets? And what have they found so far? Let's find out. Let's start with a quick recap. The Sombrero Galaxy, or M104, is a spiral galaxy with a massive, bright ring that's unlike anything we've seen in other galaxies. This ring is a cosmic puzzle, and to solve it, astronomers need to look beyond the visible light that our eyes can see. Why? Because the Sombrero is shrouded in dust and gas, which blocks much of the light from its stars and structures. It's like trying to see through a foggy window. You need the right tools to clear the view. So, what are these tools? Let's break them down. The power of infrared, seeing through the haze. First up, infrared astronomy. If visible light is like trying to see through a dusty curtain, infrared is like having X-ray vision. Infrared light has longer wavelengths than visible light, which means it can pass through dust and gas without being scattered or absorbed. This allows astronomers to peer deep into the Sombrero's ring and see what's hiding inside. One of the key players in this game is the Spitzer Space Telescope. Launched in 2003, Spitzer was designed to observe the universe in infrared, and it's been a game changer for studying galaxies like the Sombrero. With Spitzer, astronomers can see the warm dust and gas in the ring, as well as the stars that are otherwise hidden. It's like lifting a foggy curtain to reveal the stage behind it. Radio waves mapping the gas. Next, let's talk about radio astronomy. Radio waves are even better at cutting through dust than infrared. They can travel through the thickest clouds of gas and dust, allowing astronomers to map the structure of the Sombrero's ring in ways that visible light can't. One of the most powerful tools in radio astronomy is the Very Large Array, VLA, in New Mexico. The VLA is a collection of 27 massive radio dishes that work together to create incredibly detailed images of the sky. By tuning into the radio emissions from hydrogen gas, the most abundant element in the universe, astronomers can trace the distribution of gas in the Sombrero's ring. It's like using sonar to map an underwater cave, revealing the hidden contours of the galaxy. The Hubble Space Telescope. A closer look. Of course, we can't forget the Hubble Space Telescope. While Hubble is best known for its stunning visible light images, it's also equipped with instruments that can observe in ultraviolet and near-infrared. This allows it to capture the Sombrero's ring in exquisite detail, revealing the distribution of stars and the structure of the dust lane. In fact, one of Hubble's most famous images is of the Sombrero Galaxy, showing its bright core and dark ring in breathtaking clarity. It's like having a front row seat to a cosmic opera, with every detail on display. What have these tools revealed? So, what have these tools uncovered about the Sombrero's ring? Let's start with the stars. Using infrared and visible light observations, astronomers have found that the ring is packed with stars of all ages. There are young hot stars blazing with blue light, and older cooler stars glowing softly in red. This mix suggests that the ring has been a site of star formation for a long time, perhaps billions of years. But it's not just stars. Radio observations have revealed vast clouds of gas swirling through the ring, providing the raw material for new stars. And here's something wild. The gas in the ring is moving at high speeds, suggesting that it's being stirred up by some unseen force. It's like a cosmic blender, mixing the ingredients for future star formation. The role of dark matter. Now, let's talk about something invisible but crucial. Dark matter. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of its gravitational pull. In the Sombrero Galaxy, dark matter likely plays a key role in shaping the ring. By studying the motion of stars and gas in the ring, astronomers can map the distribution of dark matter, like feeling the wind to trace an unseen storm. Early studies suggest that the sombrero has a massive halo of dark matter surrounding it, which could be holding the ring in place. It's like an invisible scaffolding propping up the galaxy's structure. But the details are still fuzzy, and that's part of the puzzle. Why is this so exciting? You might be wondering, why is this so exciting? It's just a ring in a galaxy far, far away. Well, the sombrero's ring is more than just a pretty feature. It's a clue to how galaxies evolve. By studying it, we can learn about the forces that shape galaxies across the universe, including our own Milky Way. For example, understanding how the ring formed could help us understand how galaxies grow and change over time. Is it a remnant of a cosmic collision, or the result of internal processes? The answer could shed light on the history of the sombrero, and by extension, the history of other galaxies. What's next? Coming up, we'll dive into the hidden life within the ring. What's it like inside this cosmic nursery? Are there new stars being born? And could there be planets or even life hiding in the shadows? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest secrets. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the sombrero's ring has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Okay, my friends, we explored the tools astronomers use to peer through the Sombrero Galaxy's dusty veil, revealing its hidden structures. Next up, we're diving into the ring itself to uncover its hidden life. What's it like inside this cosmic nursery? Are there new stars being born? And could there be planets or even life hiding in the shadows? Let's find out. Part 5. The Ring's Hidden Life, Stars and Beyond. Let's start with a simple truth. The sombrero's ring isn't just a pretty feature. It's a bustling, dynamic part of the galaxy, alive with activity. When we look at the ring through our telescopes, we're not just seeing a static band of dust and stars. We're witnessing a cosmic nursery where stars are born, live, and die. It's a place of constant change, where the forces of gravity, gas, and dust come together to create new life in the universe. So, what's going on inside this ring? Let's take a closer look. A stellar nursery. Stars in the making. First and foremost, the ring is a stellar nursery, a place where new stars are born. How does this happen? It all starts with the gas and dust that make up the ring. These aren't just passive clouds, they're the raw materials for star formation. When pockets of gas and dust become dense enough, gravity takes over, pulling them together until they collapse into hot, dense cores. These cores eventually ignite into stars, lighting up the ring like fireworks on a cosmic scale. In the Sombrero's ring, this process is happening at a furious pace. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope have revealed clusters of young hot stars blazing with blue light. These are the newborns of the galaxy, some just a few million years old, practically infants in cosmic terms. It's like a maternity ward for stars, with new arrivals popping up all the time. But it's not just about the young stars. The ring is also home to older stars, glowing softly in red and yellow. These are the veterans, having lived for billions of years, and they tell a different story, one of stability and endurance. Together, the mix of young and old stars paints a picture of a ring that's been active for a long, long time. Gas and dust, the building blocks. Now, let's talk about the gas and dust that fuel this star formation. The ring is packed with interstellar gas, mostly hydrogen, which floats through the galaxy like a cosmic mist. This gas is the raw material for new stars, and it's constantly being replenished by the deaths of older stars, which expel their outer layers into space. But gas alone isn't enough. You also need dust, tiny particles of carbon, silicon, and other elements that help cool the gas and allow it to collapse. Dust is like the glue that holds the star-forming process together. Without it, the gas would stay too hot and spread out, never forming stars. In the Sombrero's ring, dust plays a crucial role, helping to create the dense pockets where stars can be born. Could there be planets? Or even life? Now here's a question that might blow your mind. Could there be planets in the Sombrero's ring? And if so, could there be life? It's a long shot, but let's think about it. First, for planets to form, you need stars, and the ring is full of them. In fact, many of the young stars in the ring are surrounded by disks of gas and dust, which are the perfect breeding grounds for planets. It's like a cosmic construction site, with planets being built from the leftover materials of star formation. But could these planets host life? That's a much bigger question. Life as we know it requires stable conditions, liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and a steady source of energy. In the chaotic environment of the ring, with stars being born and dying at a rapid pace, it might be tough for life to get a foothold. It's like trying to grow a garden in the middle of a construction zone. Possible, but challenging. That said, the universe is full of surprises. If there are planets in the ring that have managed to carve out a stable niche, who knows what might be living there? It's a tantalizing thought, even if it's just speculation for now. The ring's role in the galaxy. Now, let's zoom out and think about the bigger picture. What role does the ring play in the Sombrero Galaxy as a whole? Is it just a pretty feature, or does it serve a purpose? One idea is that the ring acts as a reservoir of gas and dust, fueling star formation in the galaxy over time. It's like a cosmic gas tank, providing the raw materials for new stars to keep the galaxy alive and growing. Without the ring, the Sombrero might have run out of gas long ago, turning into a quiet, dormant galaxy. Another possibility is that the ring helps stabilize the galaxy's structure. By concentrating gas and dust in a specific region, it could be preventing the galaxy from collapsing under its own gravity or spinning out of control. It's like a cosmic balancing act, keeping everything in check. What's next? Coming up, we'll explore the invisible forces shaping the ring. Could dark matter be playing a role in this cosmic puzzle? And what about the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest secrets. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero's ring has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Alright, we explored the hidden life within the Sombrero Galaxy's ring, its bustling star formation, and the tantalizing possibility of planets or even life. Next up, we're diving into the invisible forces that might be shaping this cosmic enigma. Could dark matter be the unseen hand guiding the ring's structure? And what role does the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center play? Let's find out. Part 6. Dark matter's role, an invisible hand. Let's start with a simple truth. Not everything in the universe is visible. In fact, most of it isn't. We can see stars, gas, and dust, but there's something else out there. Something invisible, yet incredibly powerful. It's called dark matter, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomy. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, but we know it's there because of its gravitational pull. It's like an invisible scaffolding, holding galaxies together and shaping their structure. And in the Sombrero Galaxy, it might be the key to understanding the mysterious ring. What is dark matter? So, what exactly is dark matter? Well, that's the million-dollar question. We don't know what it's made of, whether it's exotic particles, tiny black holes, or something entirely different. But we do know it's there, and it makes up about 27% of the universe's mass energy density. That's more than 5 times the amount of regular matter, like stars, planets, and you and me. But how do we detect something we can't see? The answer lies in gravity. Dark matter's gravitational pull affects the motion of stars and gas in galaxies. By studying how these visible components move, we can map the distribution of dark matter, like feeling the wind to trace an unseen storm. Dark matter in galaxies. In galaxies like the Milky Way, dark matter forms a vast spherical halo that surrounds the visible disk. This halo acts like a gravitational glue, holding the galaxy together and preventing its stars from flying off into space. Without dark matter, galaxies would spin themselves apart. It's like an invisible hand, keeping everything in check. But in the Sombrero Galaxy, things are a bit different. The Sombrero has a massive halo of dark matter, but its structure is more complex. Observations suggest that the dark matter in the Sombrero might be concentrated in a way that influences the ring's shape and stability. It's like a hidden puppeteer, pulling the strings of the stars and gas in the ring. How dark matter shapes the ring. So, how exactly does dark matter affect the Sombrero's ring? One idea is that the ring is held in place by the galaxy's dark matter halo. The halo's gravity could be stabilizing the ring, preventing it from dispersing or collapsing. It's like a cosmic corset, cinching the ring around the galaxy's waist. Another possibility is that the ring's unusual brightness and size are related to the distribution of dark matter. Perhaps the dark matter is funneling gas and dust into the ring, fueling the star formation we see. It's like a cosmic conveyor belt, delivering the raw materials for new stars. But here's the thing, we're still piecing this together. The Sombrero's dark matter halo is tricky to map because it's so far away, 28 million light years, and because dark matter is, well, dark. But with advanced telescopes and computer simulations, astronomers are getting closer to the truth: the supermassive black hole connection. Now, let's talk about another invisible force: the supermassive black hole at the Sombrero's center. This black hole is a monster, weighing in at about 1 billion solar masses. That's 1,000 times heavier than the black hole at the center of the Milky Way. It's like a cosmic dragon, lurking in the heart of the galaxy, pulling everything toward it. But what does this black hole have to do with the ring? Well, its gravity could be interacting with the dark matter halo to shape the ring's structure. For example, the black hole's pull might be drawing gas and dust into the ring, or it could be stabilizing the ring's orbit. It's like a cosmic tug-of-war, with the black hole and dark matter working together to sculpt the galaxy. Recent discoveries and theories. So, what have astronomers found so far? Recent studies using the Hubble Space Telescope and the Very Large Array have revealed that the Sombrero's dark matter halo is more extensive than previously thought. It's like discovering that the invisible scaffolding is bigger and stronger than we imagined. Moreover, computer simulations suggest that the ring might be the result of a past merger with a smaller galaxy. This merger could have disrupted the Sombrero's structure, creating the ring and funneling gas toward the center to feed the black hole. It's like a cosmic car crash that left a glowing scar. But here's the kicker: these theories are still evolving. The Sombrero's ring is a complex puzzle, and dark matter is just one piece of it. As we gather more data and refine our models, we'll get closer to solving the mystery. Why should we care? You might be wondering, why does this matter? It's just a ring in a galaxy far, far away. Fair point. But the Sombrero's ring isn't just a pretty feature, it's a clue to how galaxies evolve. By studying it, we can learn about the forces that shape galaxies across the universe, including our own Milky Way. For example, understanding the role of dark matter in the Sombrero could help us understand how dark matter influences galaxy formation and evolution. And that's a big deal, because dark matter is one of the universe's greatest mysteries. What's next? Coming up, we'll dive into the heart of the Sombrero Galaxy to explore its supermassive black hole. What makes it so massive? How does it interact with the ring? And what does it mean for the galaxy's future? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest secrets. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero's ring has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Okay, so we explored the invisible forces shaping the Sombrero Galaxy's ring, including the role of dark matter. Next up, we're diving into the heart of the galaxy to uncover what lies within its core. What makes this core so massive? How does it interact with the ring? And what does it mean for the galaxy's future? Let's find out. Let's start with a simple truth. At the heart of nearly every galaxy lies a monster, a supermassive black hole. These cosmic giants are millions to billions of times more massive than our Sun, and they play a crucial role in shaping their host galaxies. The Sombrero Galaxy is no exception. Its core is home to a supermassive black hole that's a true heavyweight, weighing in at about 1 billion solar masses. That's 1,000 times heavier than the black hole at the center of the Milky Way. It's like a cosmic dragon, lurking in the heart of the galaxy, pulling everything toward it. But what makes this black hole so special? And how does it interact with the mysterious ring we've been exploring? Let's dive in. The supermassive black hole, a cosmic giant. First, let's talk about what a supermassive black hole is. These aren't your average black holes formed from the collapse of massive stars. Supermassive black holes are much larger, and their origins are still a mystery. Some theories suggest they formed from the merger of smaller black holes, while others propose they were born from the direct collapse of massive gas clouds in the early universe. Whatever their origin, they're the anchors of their galaxies, holding everything in place with their immense gravity. In the Sombrero Galaxy, the supermassive black hole is particularly massive, about 1 billion times the mass of our Sun. To put that in perspective, if you replaced our Sun with this black hole, its event horizon, the point of no return, would stretch out to about 30 times the distance from the Sun to Pluto. It's a beast, and its gravitational pull dominates the galaxy's core, how the black hole shapes the galaxy. So, how does this black hole interact with the rest of the galaxy, especially the ring? Well, its gravity is so strong that it influences the motion of stars and gas throughout the galaxy. Stars near the core orbit the black hole at breakneck speeds, like moths circling a flame. But its influence extends far beyond the core, affecting the entire structure of the galaxy. One way it might shape the ring is by funneling gas and dust toward the center. As gas falls toward the black hole, it can trigger bursts of star formation in the surrounding regions, including the ring. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking in material and sparking new life along the way. Another possibility is that the black hole's gravity helps stabilize the ring's structure. By anchoring the galaxy's center, it could prevent the ring from collapsing or dispersing. It's like a cosmic keystone, holding everything in place. The black hole's feeding habits. Now, let's talk about how the black hole feeds. Supermassive black holes grow by consuming gas, dust, and even entire stars that wander too close. When material falls into the black hole, it heats up and emits powerful radiation, creating a bright glowing disk around the black hole called an accretion disk. This disk can outshine the entire galaxy, making the core blaze with light. In the Sombrero Galaxy, the core is unusually bright, which suggests that the black hole is actively feeding. It's like a cosmic feast, with the black hole gorging on the galaxy's gas and dust. This feeding frenzy could be linked to the ring's activity, as the black hole's gravity pulls material inward, triggering star formation along the way. The future of the Sombrero Galaxy. So, what does this mean for the Sombrero's future? Well, as long as the black hole keeps feeding, the galaxy will continue to evolve. The ring might continue to churn out new stars, fueled by the gas and dust funneled toward the center. But eventually, the gas will run out, and the star formation will slow down. The galaxy will enter a quieter phase, with the black hole lying dormant, waiting for its next meal. It's a cycle that plays out in galaxies across the universe. Periods of activity followed by periods of rest. The Sombrero is currently in an active phase, but like all things in the cosmos, it won't last forever. Why should we care? You might be wondering, why does this matter? It's just a black hole in a galaxy far, far away. Fair point. But the Sombrero's core isn't just a curiosity, it's a clue to how galaxies evolve. By studying it, we can learn about the role of supermassive black holes in shaping galaxies across the universe, including our own Milky Way. For example, understanding how the black hole interacts with the ring could help us understand how black holes regulate star formation in galaxies. It's like learning how a conductor leads an orchestra, each part working together to create a harmonious whole. Next up, we'll tie it all together. What does the Sombrero Galaxy teach us about the universe? And what mysteries still remain? Stay tuned to Galaxy Guru as we chase the galaxy's deepest secrets. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If the Sombrero's core has you hooked, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Over the course of this documentary, we've explored the Sombrero Galaxy's mysterious ring, its hidden life, and the invisible forces shaping it. Now, we're tying it all together. What does the Sombrero Galaxy teach us about the universe? And what mysteries still remain? Let's find out. Let's start with a simple truth. The Sombrero Galaxy isn't just a pretty face, it's a cosmic teacher. We've peeled back the layers of this galactic enigma, revealing a galaxy that's as complex as it is beautiful. From its mysterious ring to its supermassive black hole, the Sombrero has taught us valuable lessons about how galaxies form, evolve, and interact with the forces of the universe. So, what have we learned? Lesson 1. Galaxies are dynamic. First, the Sombrero reminds us that galaxies are dynamic, ever-changing systems. Its ring, packed with stars, gas, and dust, is a bustling hub of activity. New stars are born, old stars die, and the galaxy evolves over time. This dynamism is a hallmark of galaxies across the universe, including our own Milky Way. It's a reminder that the cosmos is not a static painting, but a living, breathing masterpiece. Lesson 2. The power of invisible forces. Second, the Sombrero highlights the power of invisible forces. Dark matter, which we can't see, plays a crucial role in shaping the galaxy's structure, holding its ring in place like an unseen hand. And at the galaxy's core, a supermassive black hole exerts its gravitational pull, influencing everything from star formation to the galaxy's overall shape. These invisible forces are the architects of the cosmos, sculpting galaxies in ways we're only beginning to understand. Lesson 3. The importance of cosmic collisions. Third, the Sombrero's ring might be a clue to the galaxy's past, a scar from a cosmic collision with another galaxy. If true, this teaches us that galaxies grow and evolve through mergers, absorbing smaller systems and reshaping themselves in the process. It's a cosmic game of survival, where only the largest and most adaptable galaxies thrive. Lesson 4. The universe is full of surprises. Finally, the Sombrero reminds us that the universe is full of surprises. Its ring, with its unusual brightness and size, defies easy explanation. Even with our best telescopes and theories, we're still piecing together the puzzle. It's a humbling reminder that there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to marvel at in the cosmos. What mysteries remain? So, what mysteries still remain? Well, despite all we've learned, the Sombrero's ring is still a puzzle with missing pieces. We don't know for sure how it formed, whether it's a result of gravitational ripples, a cosmic collision, or a warped disk. And we're still trying to map the galaxy's dark matter halo, which could hold the key to understanding its structure. But that's what makes astronomy so exciting. Each discovery leads to new questions, and each question leads to new discoveries. The Sombrero Galaxy is a testament to the universe's complexity and to our endless curiosity. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to reflect. The Sombrero Galaxy isn't just a distant object in the night sky. It's a window into the universe's grand design. By studying it, we've learned about the forces that shape galaxies, the cycles of star formation, and the mysteries of dark matter and black holes. But more than that, it's a reminder to keep looking up, to keep asking questions, and to keep exploring. So, what's next for you? Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just a curious stargazer, there's always more to discover. The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to explore it. Keep chasing the stars, and who knows what secrets you'll uncover. Thank you for joining me on this stellar journey through the Sombrero Galaxy's mysterious ring. If this series has sparked your curiosity, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more cosmic adventures. The universe is waiting. Let's explore it together. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind wide open.